uCertify offers data visualization with Python course prep for IT professionals. So start your prep for the Data Visualization with Python course today with uCertify. The course validates knowledge about NumPy, Pandas techniques, visualizations, customized plottings, and visualization libraries. In this uCertify course, you will receive pre-assessment questions that will help you identify areas for improvement before you begin the course. The uCertify course consists of interactive lessons and learning resources with flashcards, quizzes, and glossary terms. It has video tutorials to make your learning more interactive. In this course, you will receive post-assessment questions that will gauge your understanding and readiness in the course. The course's prep engine, which provides different sets of questions to prepare for the exam in the test environment. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive a certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you will gain an understanding of the following concepts: basic and customized plotting, static and interactive visualization, interactive visualization of data across strata, interactive visualization of data across time, interactive visualization of geographical data, and common pitfalls to create interactive visualizations. Our course is also available on the uCertify mobile app. You can start the course with a web app and end with a mobile app, or vice versa. Students and educators can move from device to browser and get back seamlessly without losing any performance or activity data. You can download our mobile app from the Google Play Store and iOS App Store. This will allow you to access the course anytime, anywhere, and on any device. To explore more about uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com. You can call us at 1-415-763-6300 or reach us by email at sales@ucertify.com.